Welcome to our channel. If you need a loan pre-approval, follow these step-by-step instructions to get approved quickly by your bank. Step 1. Check your credit score before applying for pre-approval. Knowing your score helps you understand what loan terms you might qualify for and identify issues to address. Step 2. Gather required financial documentation, including recent pay stubs, tax returns, bank statements, and employment verification. Having these ready speeds up the pre-approval process significantly. Step 3. Determine how much you want to borrow and the type of loan you need. Be specific about whether you need a mortgage, auto loan, personal loan, or business loan. Step 4. Contact your bank directly and ask about their pre-approval process. Many banks offer online pre-approval applications that provide decisions within minutes or hours. Step 5. Complete the pre-approval application accurately and honestly. Provide correct information about your income, debts, employment history, and the purpose of the loan. Step 6. Authorize a credit check as part of the pre-approval process. This results in a soft inquiry that doesn't impact your credit score for pre-qualification or maybe a hard inquiry for official pre-approval. Step 7. Review the pre-approval letter carefully when you receive it. Note the approved loan amount, interest rate, loan terms, and expiration date of the pre-approval. Step 8. Understand that pre-approval is not a guarantee of final approval. You must still complete a full application, provide additional documentation, and meet all requirements to receive actual loan funding. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.